take 1 freaking million. Okay, here we go. Oh Lord.
Oh Lord, how must I wait for you to bring me home? 'Cause I am tired, weak. I just drop on my knees and I pray that someday that the Lord will bring me home. Alright.
What you know about it? What you know about it? What you know about it?
I'll
What you know about it?
switch maybe like
What you
you.
know
No,
about
this
it?
one's
What
put
you
me.
know about it? What you know about it? And there goes Josie in the back.